Hi guys, welcome. Today I'll be teaching you how to fix this Docker Daemon is not running error on your Ubuntu machine. So I was trying to install Docker for a data engineering project and I was having this error on my Ubuntu machine. So today I'll be teaching you guys on how to solve this problem. So the first thing first that we have to do, let's go first to the official Docker website where you can install Docker. And as you can see, would have so you can install Docker engine on all of these Ubuntu versions. So just follow the prompt on install old version. Then you follow through with the installation method, and peradventure when you're done and you get to where you need to run sudo docker run hello world and you're having issues and you are getting this error like you can see on the screen, so what should you do? So today I'll be giving you the quick fix to that. So the first thing first is that you go to your Ubuntu machine, and the first thing I want you to do is to confirm your Ubuntu version. As you can see, my Ubuntu version is version 22. The code name is Jammy, and so it is a known issue on Ubuntu version 22 because Docker runs on the iptable-legacy, but Ubuntu 22 uses the iptable-NFT, and that is why the Docker Daemon is not usually running on this Ubuntu version. So how do I know that? You can go to your iptable, to the config. Let's check our iptable config. As you can see from the screen that my Ubuntu machine is on the iptable-legacy. I just changed that to iptable-legacy. So previously it was on NFT. So if yours is on NFT, that could be the reason why your Docker is not staffing. So what you should do now, if yours is on NFT, you could just enter one and press OK, because selection for the iptable-legacy is 1. So I already have that selected on my machine, and that's why my Docker is working well and fine. But previously to that, I was also getting that Docker Daemon is not running error. So you can just enter 1 and press enter, and that will be it. Then you can do your Docker run hello world, and everything should be fine. So that will be all for now. Thank you guys. See you on the next one.